what I did. I purchased a new camera. New to me. It is an old camera. I got this on eBay. This is the Canon T5i. If you have been with me since 2016, I had the Canon T3i, and I loved it so much because the viewfinder, you can see yourself, and I decided I wanted to get one of these again because they're so huge. I wanted to try to take better photos and videos. I am looking into getting a new vlog camera. Even though I love my G7X, which I always film on, love this camera, I kind of want to switch to Sony and see what it is like. But for now, I picked up this baby for my birthday. She is so gorgeous. It is a professional camera. Why did I say it like that? I don't know. It's a professional camera. She's really cute, really light. I feel like the T3i was heavier. And yeah, I just want to get better at taking photos. I am not like not trying to be a photographer or anything. I am just a normal girl that likes to post on YouTube, likes cameras, and wants to learn a little bit more, you know, just simple. But yeah, I made sure to get the T5i because of the viewfinder. I love cameras that have the flip viewfinder. I just need that. It's a must for me because I like filming video. So I got this from eBay. I got it for $200. These sets used to be like $800. Canon, what is going on? Because this is so cheap. I just can't believe it. I got it for $200. It came with the battery, came with the battery charger, and it came with the normal lens, which is the EFS 18-55mm. That's just like the normal lens these cameras come with if you get them, and I cannot wait to buy different lenses to try them out. So look how gorgeous. I did get it from eBay, so it came pre-loved. This is in very good condition. Whoever had this, they had this little thing on here, and honestly, this is a smart inclusion, so you don't lose the cap. So yeah, I'm just really excited. Okay, other good news, we are going on a trip very soon, so I'm thinking about bringing this camera or my G7X, but we'll see. Right now, I'm just really happy. Okay. Okay guys, it's been a whole week since I posted or filmed that part, and I just wanted to say, now that you are watching this part, I am in Nashville. I'm there for the weekend with our good friends. They are a couple, and it's just the four of us enjoying the whole weekend of dancing and country music, and I'm so excited to film. I probably have a bunch of footage right now, and I just cannot wait to get back and film and edit and show you guys the vlog. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, that's where I'm at. I'm in Nashville. I think we're gonna have a quick real talk. I think my depression, well, I don't know if this is like a first world problem or not. Let me know in the comments. But I think part of my depression when it gets really bad is because I don't have a change in my environment. Like I told you, February is usually when it is so bad for me because I am just going to work, coming home, going to work, coming home, and I feel like I just need to get away sometimes. And I think that I really need to start prioritizing going on weekend trips and getting away from my bubble. So we are in Nashville at this time, and I'm probably having the time of my life. Also, since I just turned 30 a couple weeks ago, I'm going to soak that all up at the bars. I realized that like life is precious, and I just feel 20 all over again. And I want to enjoy my 30th year on Earth. So I think that I need to start planning like small trips that are like 1 hour away, 2 hour away. I do have a family cabin that I've had in my life since I was 2 that I should probably go visit. So I think that planning small trips every so often will help with my depression, just so I don't get down that bad again, because that was really bad. I don't think any of this makes sense, but you know, I'm trying. I'm not really good with my words, if you couldn't tell. I do have a couple of exciting things coming up next year. I'm getting married. That's huge. That's so huge. And I'm gonna have my bachelorette. I want to have it in Nashville, so this is kind of like why we're in Nashville right now, to check out the scenery, to see if I'll like it. Spoiler alert, I probably do. I just need things to be excited about, to keep me going. I need to enjoy life, because life is not all about going to work and coming home, you know? And that's something that a lot of us need to take a break from, is work life, because life is really stressful right now. Anyways, I want to show you two pairs of boots that I will be bringing. I don't know if I'm going to wear one pair, but I will for sure be wearing this pair. Your girl has white cowgirl boots. Yes, I got these specifically for my bachelorette, but like every girl, when they go to Nashville, they need their pair of white cowboy boots. Yes, these are fake. These are from Amazon. They are about 50 bucks. So I don't care if they get scuffed up. I might even just throw them away at the end. Not too worried about it. I do plan on buying Tacomas, or like actual cowboy boots, during my bachelorette. So like if these can make it through this weekend, then we will see. But they are super comfy. So I bought these specifically for my bachelorette. One of my best friends, she had a pair that she bought for her bachelorette, and they are so gorgeous, so I had to get the same pair. And they are from Betsy Johnson. They are these beautiful rhinestone boots. They are so beautiful. You can't even see how amazing they are. Can I walk in them? No. It's practice walking in them because they are so high. I'm already 5'4", so these are gonna make me, I don't know how much higher these are. I will be bringing these as well, but I don't know how long I'm going to be wearing them because I can't walk in heels, and these are definitely going to hurt. But yeah, I'm just feeling very grateful right now because I am able to go on vacation. I have worked so hard the last 8 months, just literally working 60-hour weeks non-stop, mentally, physically, emotionally exhausting myself to the point where I can't get out of bed. And I just really need this break. So I'm gonna soak up this whole weekend and have some beautiful footage for you guys, and I cannot wait to share with you guys what I have. I just wanted to end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Send me some awesome inspiration, motivation comments down below because I need them to keep me motivated, and I appreciate all of you who comment, and I love talking to you guys. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.